You are welcome once again to this lesson. Our lesson is on Mathematics Waec Questions 2024. We have started from number 1, and right now in this lesson we are going to continue with question 11. Now question 11 says, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 168 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Now, many students don't know how to solve this problem, so I'm going to do a quick solution to this. To start with, we are given the interior angle of the regular polygon. The polygon is regular. So once you hear that the polygon is regular and the interior angle is given, then all you have to do is to relate the interior and exterior angle. That is, you would say the interior angle plus the exterior angle will give us 180 degrees. This is the relationship between the interior and exterior angle. Now we are told that the interior angle is 168 degrees. So plugging it here, it will give us 168 plus E to equals 180 degree, and that will give us E to become 180 minus 168. If you do the subtraction quickly, you shall have I think 12% should be the answer to that. Yes, 12%. Well, 12 degree, pardon me. So in this case, the exterior angle is 12 degree. Now you may ask, but sir, how come we are looking for the exterior angle instead of us to calculate what the question says we should find, that is the number of sides? Well, the reason why we did this is because there's a relationship between the exterior angle and the number of sides. And what is that relationship? The relationship is that the exterior angle is equals to 360 degree divided by what? By n. So we are going to put our value for E, which is 12, equals to 360, and we are dividing it by n. So n is the number of sides they say we should look for, so we swap position here. So n will equals to 360 divided by what? By 12. And if you do this cancellation, you are going to arrive at 30. So the number of sides, therefore, for this regular polygon is 30. And if we check the question here, we are going to see the option A is the right option for this. So now let's go on to question 12. I believe you understood that explanation. So let's migrate and move on to question 12. So let's write it out in question 12 here. Okay, question 12 says that if 3x minus 2y equals to minus 5, let's write it out. 3x minus 2y equals to minus 5, and x plus 2y, that is it, x plus 2y is equals to what? To 9. Then we ask to find x minus y, the value for x minus y over x plus y. Now let's solve this question. The method, this is an example of simultaneous equation, and I have already given an exhaustive explanation on how to solve the method we use in solving simultaneous equations. So you can check the playlist in this channel. I think I will link it up here in this video, and you can go in there to for further understanding of simultaneous equation. So right here, I'll be using the elimination method. So I'll call this equation 1, and I'll call this equation 2. Now in the elimination method, I would like to eliminate the value for x, and to do so, to eliminate x, I need to make the coefficient of x to be the same. Now in this place here, the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 1. So I need to make both coefficients to be the same, and the way I'll do that is that I'll use this 1 to times equation 1, everything in equation 1. So 1 times 3x will give us 3x, then minus 1 times 2y will give me 2y, 1 times minus 5 will give me minus 5. Then I will take this 3, which is the coefficient of x in equation 1, to multiply everything in equation 2. So I'll put it 3, which is 3 times 1x will give me 3x, then plus 3 times 2y will give me 6y, then equals to 3 times 9 will give me what, 27. Then alternatively, I could have just eliminated the value for y, but let me just show you this method all the same. Okay, so at this point now, I have made the coefficients of x, which is the variable I want to eliminate, to be the same. So all I need to do here is to use my dash concept. According to the dash concept, if the sign of what I want to eliminate is different, I will add. But if what I want to eliminate has the same sign, then I will subtract. So you can see that the sign that they're having here is positive sign, so which is same. I need to subtract. So there is an imaginary or invisible minus sign I need to write out here to show that I'm eliminating the value for x. So 3x minus 3x will give me what? 0. Then minus 2y minus plus 6y. This minus will turn the plus to minus, so it will become minus 2y minus 6y, and that will give me minus what? Minus 8y, and this equals to minus 5 minus 30. Minus 5 minus 27 will give me what? Minus what? Minus 30, minus 32. So this will cancel this, and if I divide both sides by 8, I shall have the value for y to become 4, because 4 times 8 will give us 32. So since I have the value for y, all I'm going to do now is to get the value for x by plugging this value of y into any of these two equations. I would like to put it into equation 2. So I would say put y equals to 4 into equation 2. Equation 2 states that x plus 2y is equals to what? Is equals to 9. So since x plus 2y is equals to 9, all we have to do is to say x plus 2 multiplied by the value of y, which is 4, and that equals to 9. So this will give you x plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 equals to what? 9. So x will become 9 minus 8. We take this our plus 8 to this side. It gives us minus 8, and if we do that subtraction, we have the value for x as 1. So therefore, x is 1 and y, which we have calculated here, is 4. That now brings us to the question. We have to find the value for x minus y over x plus y. So write it out. We say therefore x minus y, then divide by x plus y will become x is 1 minus y is 4, pardon me for that, then all divided by x, which is 1, plus y, which is 4. This will give us 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 1 plus 4 is 5. So therefore, x minus y over x plus y will give us minus 3 over 5. So let us see the question to see if the answer is there. Of course, minus 3 over 5 is the right option, which is option C. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I'm sure you enjoyed this class. If you follow me through, in case you don't understand any aspect, you can ask me, drop the question in the comment box, and you can also rewind this video, can watch it over and over until you're able to grasp the concept. So thank you for your time. I want to thank all of you who are watching this video and my previous videos. Please take your time to subscribe also. It will not cost you anything. Help me to build this channel. Encourage me to keep posting content in this channel. And you can do that by subscribing and watching our videos, liking our videos, leaving comment for us, letting us know what you feel about our videos. I really appreciate for those of you who have commented. Thank you very much for those of you who have subscribed. And thank you for those of you that are still watching who are not yet subscribed. Please do subscribe and encourage us and share this video. Thank you, and I will see you in our next lesson.